Want to deploy to Kubernetes automatically using GitHub Actions? I'll show you how to build a working CI/CD pipeline using Helm from scratch and get it running in under 5 minutes. First, we'll build our Helm chart folder structure and key files. Now we validate our chart and deploy to the local K3D cluster. Let's recreate the GitHub Actions pipeline so every push to main auto deploys. And that's it. Full CI/CD using Helm and GitHub Actions into Kubernetes. You can now adapt this for any app and cluster. Don't forget to like if this helped. Subscribe for more DevOps and Kubernetes guides. You can visit SubnetSavy.com for full write-ups and tool recommendations. All code is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.